So now let's talk about the efficiencies ng compressors. Mabilisan lang. Mechanical efficiency is equal to work indicated ng compressor over brake work ng compressor. Ito ay brake work or tinatawag ding shaft work. And then ito ay indicated work. Ito ay mechanical efficiency. Ngayon, kapag merong steam engine or internal combustion engine na nagde-drive sa compressor, ang efficiency nun ay ganito. Efficiency ng mechanical efficiency pa rin siya, pero may S. So that stands for steam engine, or kapag merong other engine na nagde-drive sa compressor. So, mechanical efficiency with steam engine is equal to indicated work ng compressor over sa brake work ng steam engine. So, ito ay steam engine or internal combustion engine driving compressor. So now, punta naman tayo sa compression efficiencies. So, first, isothermal compression efficiency is equal to isothermal ideal work. So, this thermal over the indicated work of compressor. Indicated work of compressor. So, ito, kung maalala nyo, ang formula nito ay P1V1 prime ln P1 over P2. So, pag mga ideal, yun yung mga formula na nireview natin sa last video. So, napunta na tayo sa adiabatic compression efficiency. And since adiabatic, okay. So, ganun din, adiabatic ideal work, that is work, okay, over indicated work ng compressor. And then, for compression efficiency ng polytropic compression efficiency, that is ideal polytropic work over indicated work ng compressor. So, yan yung mga compression efficiencies. And maliban dyan, meron ding tinatawag na overall efficiencies. So, for overall efficiency, ang general formula niya is ideal work over brake work. For isothermal overall efficiency, so that is N overall efficiency ng isothermal, that is isothermal ideal work over the brake work or shaft work. Brake or shaft work. For isentropic overall efficiency, that is isentropic ideal work over brake work pa rin. Then finally, overall efficiency ng polytropic compression, that is ideal polytropic work over brake work. So, kapag sa isang problem, tinatanong kung ano yung compression efficiency, ang ibig sabihin nun ay adiabatic compression efficiency. Kasi ito ang commonly used na compression efficiency. Ulitin ko lang, kapag nakita mo sa problem na tinatanong kung ano ang compression efficiency, although sinabi sa problem na the compression is polytropic, pero tinatanong kung ano ang compression efficiency without explicitly asking yung polytropic compression efficiency. So nakalagay lang sa problem, what is the compression efficiency? Ang compression efficiency na pinapahanap dito ay adiabatic or isentropic compression efficiency, which is this one. So, ang sagot dito ay NK. Kapag hindi explicitly tinatanong yung polytropic compression efficiency or isothermal compression efficiency. Kapag nakalagay lang compression efficiency, that is adiabatic or isentropic compression efficiency.